Good morning, welcome back. Today we're going to show you a couple different ways to speed up the launch time of Windows. And this actually should work on Windows 7 and Windows Vista, possibly Windows 8. On Windows XP, the prompts will be a little bit different, but the theory is very similar. So let's take a look. First, you're going to click the Start menu and then type msconfig. That's msconfig, msconfig. And this is going to take you into the Microsoft Systems configuration. Okay, so we have our systems configuration up. Now, there's a couple different places we're going to go today. First, we're going to look at ways to speed up the boot time. This is before Windows loads. So click on Boot. And you see the advanced options down there? Click on that. Okay. We want to increase the number of processors. Now I have a dual core machine. I've already set it for 2, but I'll show you essentially what to do. You'll want to make sure this number of processors is checked, and then select the highest number of cores that your machine has. By doing this, it basically allows your system to put more system resources to the launch of Windows, and in theory, start it faster. Especially if you have a more modern machine, we'd be booting up fairly quickly. We're going to hit OK. And the next one I want to put on there is the startup. Now, there's a number of applications here that could potentially start up. Right now, I only have 2 selected. One is my graphics card, the ATI Technologies one. Even though that startup item doesn't make sense there, always look at the command. You can figure it out usually by the name. Also AVG, which is my antivirus, and this one I definitely want to make sure starts up. I've disabled my Lexmark printer drivers, my Windows TV tray, which is video capture, and Google updates, as well as Adobe updates. You want to make sure that whatever it is that you're booting up is the bare minimum of what you need. So be careful, because in some cases, if you disable software that's needed for other applications, they may not work until you actually manually launch that software. But I hope you found this useful, and happy computing.